Are you looking to boost your blog and make some extra income? In this video, we'll share 10 fast ways to do just that. First, focus on creating high-quality content. Engaging and valuable blog posts will attract more readers and potential customers. Next, optimize your blog for search engines. Use relevant keywords, meta tags, and descriptive URLs to improve your visibility in search results. Promote your blog on social media platforms. Share your posts, engage with your audience, and leverage the power of social networks to increase your reach. Collaborate with other bloggers and influencers in your niche. Guest posting and cross-promotion can help you tap into new audiences and gain more exposure. Monetize your blog through affiliate marketing. Recommend products or services related to your content and earn a commission for every sale made through your referral. Offer online courses or digital products. Share your expertise and create valuable resources that your audience can purchase, boosting your income. Implement display advertising on your blog. Place relevant ads on your website and earn revenue based on the number of impressions or clicks they receive.